confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Otter Creek, New Vienna, South Gary Owen, Sherrill, Bankston Park, Fillmore, Central City, Balltown, Maquoketa Caves State Park, Wapaton, Latinville, Pinnacon Ridge Park, Buck Creek, Bailey's Ford Park, Petersburg, East Rickardsville, Dubuque County Fairgrounds, Waubeke, Dubuque, and Worthington. Take cover now. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.